Mexico has more law schools than the United States, but local law professors say many lawyers and law students across the border are not taught how to ethically litigate in a trial, leaving many not to trust the rule of law.
CBS 8's Abby Black explains how the University of San Diego is educating future lawyers in Mexico in hopes of getting the people to trust the judicial system.
USD started a new master's program that's taught entirely in Spanish. It's to empower law students and also help improve the rule of law in Mexico. For 24 years, the California Innocence Project co-founder Justin Brooks worked tirelessly to free 40 prisoners who were wrongfully convicted.
That was really my identity. I'd wake up every day and put on my exonerate shirt and start tweeting about wrongful convictions, and it was more than a job. It was really a mission.
But now you'll see him in a new role. He's the academic director of the University of San Diego's new one-year master's degree program in comparative law that is virtually taught exclusively in Spanish with many Latin American students.
Well, what most people don't know is for 400 years, Mexico had no trials. No criminal trials.
Before Mexico reformed its criminal judicial system in 2008, a judge decided each case with little cross-examination. There were due process violations and corruption, and thousands of lawyers and law students did not have the skills to be trial lawyers.
What we're dedicated at the University of San Diego to doing is training those law students, training those lawyers how to do trials, how to cross-examine witnesses, how to bring the truth out in evidence.
By teaching the class in their native language, many students say that they feel empowered.
I want to learn Spanish this course because I'm not sure if I feel comfortable with the 100% English classes.
Rebecca Ledesma is in the class. She's a single mother and is the first in her family to become a lawyer. She's practicing employment law in Mexico, but wants to learn how to litigate tax law in America.
As a woman, we're really passionate, so I'm always craving for something more. I love to help people.
Unlike the United States, in Mexico, you're guilty until proven innocent.
They don't have preservation laws of evidence where people don't get access to DNA testing.
USD says this program not only builds confidence in Latin American law students and trust for their country's judicial system, but this strengthens U.S.-Mexico relations.
So being on the border provides an opportunity for USD law, and Mexico, it is a gateway to all of Latin America.
Through a grant, USD also turns the classroom into the mock courtroom where students in Mexico take their trial training and compete across the U.S.
Lo que espero es más que nada aprender lo que voy a hacer en un futuro.
During his tenure at the Innocence Project, Brooks also taught law in Latin America. He may have changed roles, but he still sees himself as a pioneer to help improve the rule of law in Mexico.
I have a great deal of hope about Mexico. It has a lot of issues, but when you work with these young people, you realize they want change. They want the system to be better. They want to change the country.
At USD, Abby Black, CBS 8.